Hey guys, Bryan with Ball Guy Side. Today I have a super quick 60-second EdTech tip on how to choose a different camera in Chrome. It's kind of buried and it's going to be quick, so let's jump in. Hey guys, quick tip for you today. This happened to me on a Mac in Chrome. My camera wouldn't switch over to the one that I wanted to use. So you have your FaceTime camera. I use my iPhone with a program called webcam. Did a video on that. It's $8, but I couldn't get it to load. Here I am in Cami, and so I'm going to show you. It's pretty buried on how to get there. If you click the three little dots up here in the right-hand corner, and then you're going to go to settings down at the bottom. All right, then once your Google Chrome settings come up, you're going to click on privacy and security. And then from there, you have to go to site settings. So this is site specific, which means since I'm in Cami, it's going to set it up differently. If I were using Screencastify, I'd have some settings in there. But using Cami or using a Google Meet, this is one of the ways that you can do it. So then you go to site settings. I think this works on Flipgrid as well. Then you scroll down here to the bottom. Now you have camera and you have microphones. If I click on camera, it is currently set to my FaceTime camera on a Mac, but I can drop that down and choose, a virtual cam, my GoPro if I had it hooked up, or Epic Cam. So when I click Epic Cam, which is what I'm using right now it's going to use that the next time I go back to Cami and try to record a video on top of that. Now, the other thing is I have an external mic, and so I'm going to go back from the camera, and then right here, microphone, I might want to double check that that's the right one that I want to be using as well. So if you have a specific thing you need to do on a website and you don't want to use your normal FaceTime camera, but you want to use something else like a webcam or a cell phone, this is how you get to it, and it's not super easy to find. Hey, if this helped you out, click that like button down there and consider subscribing. We do all sorts of videos to help you level up your tech game in 2021 and beyond. So I'll catch you in the next video.